Hi friends, welcome to my channel of Experience One, and this time I upgraded my phone to iPhone 17, and we are going to have a quick unboxing of it. I'm shooting from my previous phone, which is the 12 mini, and there are a lot of things because of which I have chosen to go with this particular model. First of all, let's see. This is this is the one, and yeah, pretty decent packing. Let's go and open it. This is the blue color which has come out in 2025. I really like the design of it. We'll keep this aside. So it only comes with the braided charging cable along with the SIM ejector pin, and that's it. What we have it in the box. We don't have any more stickers or anything like that. Let me open it. There we go. And let's start it now. So my main reasons because of which I had to upgrade was like I was running out of memory in my 64 gig phone. Battery is better, display is better,